Representation of my partner. Hello, my name is Dayana Valderrama. Today I'm going to represent my partner's name Brian Urquijo. He is 24 years, 1,87 meters tall. His favorite food is seafood. His hobbies are playing on its cell phone and spending time with its friends. He works in plumbing. Its favorite color is black. His favorite animal is the dog. He is very happy and like spending time with me. Thank you.